Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I design this clear and model design on Figma. This design focus on clarity, structure, perfect for personal brand and service-based website. And I'll break down the layout, structure, the color, image replacement, likewise how I shape this overlay as you can see. I'll be sharing everything in this video. So if you're a web design or you just start your journey on Figma, stick with me and you will definitely pick a good tweak today. So so first of all, you will have to uh, as you can see this, you have to pick an ellipse. That is the first step. Your image, sorry. So your image that you want to use must be well prepared. So after picking an ellipse, so you have to double tap your mouse so to draw a circle. After drawing a circle, so that's the first step. After drawing the circle, you have to adjust the circle very well. So and you will place your hand on sheet and you will pick like this as you can see. So after that, you have to double tap the circle and uh, as you can see, you see all these four dots, all these dots. So after that, you will as you can see, this is this is where you will this is where you will drag as you can see, that that is what you will use to drag. So and you will be directing it. So let me shift this one forward. So this is what you are using as template. So as you can see, as you can see, this is what you use to be dragging. As you can see, you're almost there. It's very simple. Just be playing around with these four dots so for you to know how to perfect it very well. As you can see, it's almost there. So after that, after that, after that, you double tap again. So this angle, you have to adjust it very well. Uh, so you need to be fast. So, as you can see, so double tap again to see how it is. So this angle, this you need to adjust this very well. To double tap again and expand this up. This, as you can see, shift this ahead. Almost there. So double tap again. You now press Ctrl D to duplicate. So that is duplicate. As you can see, we have already to duplicate. If you check the design, which the template we are using, you will see that there is one, there's one, there's one like circle at the back of this image, and there's another circle too. So I will design. I will show you everything. So okay, as you can see, so pick this color. You come here, come to the view. This is color picker. Have you seen it? So pick it like this. You pick it. So you will now send. You will not. Have you seen it? Mhm. So we are almost there. As you can see, we are almost there. We are almost there. You need to drag this. You need to expand this. If you want to drag, make sure your hand is on sheet, and then expand. As you can see, we are almost there. So this double tap this for you to expand this like this. As you can see, you're almost there. As you can see, you're almost there. Make sure the image, the one at the back, is not showing. I think this is perfect. So after that, this image, there is this image. You have to do another ellipse. Come here, pick another ellipse. As you can see, adjust it like this. So you can double tap for you to adjust. Just know how you can go about it. So double tap again. If you want to send to the back, you can just right click. As you can see, send to back. So you have to place it here. So let's give it a color. Come to fill, take this and pick the color. As you can see, it's already dropped. So you have to shift it up by this. Just bear with me. Perfect. So this circle, you have to come down here again, draw another ellipse like this. As you can see, do another this like, now place it here, then adjust it like this. No, double tap, sorry, double tap it, and then you now be coming around. So just adjust like this. As you can see, it's almost there. So reduce the size, place your hand on sheet and reduce like this, reduce it. So come here again, place it here, place it here. So you need to uh, so tap can see, we're almost there. Shift this inside. Uh, so place it here, place it here. Mhm. So this one, we have to reduce this, reduce it inside. Just place your hand on shift and reduce, reduce like this, reduce like this. As you can see, so we're almost there. So this one, you need to expand this. This is perfect. This is perfect. So this is perfect. You now just come around, just be playing around it like this. Adjust, adjust. I think this is perfect. This is perfect. We need to make sure this is very, very okay. Just make sure this is okay like this. Don't want to waste you guys' time. After that, you need to get your image, the image you want to use. After that, this, click it like this. After clicking this image, this uh, overlay, so come here, come to field. You now come here, this third one, this image, as you can see. So you now upload image inside. This is image that I want to use. I'm using the same image. As you can see, the image is inside. As you can see, perfect. So this one too, upload the image. Click image as well, upload, upload the same image, upload the same image, upload the same image. So after that, you now come to crop. You now adjust. As you can see, let me click it again. You now adjust, make sure that, you know, as you can see the image. Let me show you the template. The remaining of this uh this laptop is inside this small ellipse, as you can see. So you now adjust. Okay, so you drag it up, you now come back here again, you now drag it like this. As you can see, sorry, sorry, sorry. So you have to drag it down. So I think that is perfect. I think that is perfect. You now, you now adjust it like this. So you now expand like this. Perfect. I think this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. Let's see. Wow. you need to adjust it very well. Click this one. Let's crop it. As you can see, I think this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. So after that, wow, this is perfect. So you can now crop. This image needs to be adjusted. Let me see. Let's see how we can adjust it. Just drag like this. Yeah, drag like this. I think that's perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. So we can now crop everything together like this. So just right click, you will now group everything, group it together. So group the section. So that means you can drag. See, as you can see, very perfect. As you can see. So you can now reduce the size. As you can see, it's the same thing as this. As you can see. So that is all about the design. That is all about the design. So and you can let me show you where let me show you where I use the design. Let me show you. As you can see, that is massive. So let me show you the Euro section that I use the design. Let me show you. See how massive it is. See how massive. Yeah, how massive. See the Euro section. See the Euro section. Have you seen it? So, so, so I want you guys to bear with me. So that's all about the design. So I will share this design to you guys as a template so you guys can use it to duplicate your own too. So if you gain something, I want you guys to comment like. So thank you.